should help your friends today. You should learn along the way. Modal verbs inside the beat make your English complete. Can, must, should use them right, feel good, good. Can, must, should learning English like you should.
Use game for what you do, ability and permission to use must when rules are strong, things you really must do. You should for good advice, helping you choose what's right. 3 small words, that's the key. Speak correctly, feel the beat.
Can, must, should use them right, feel good. Can, must, should learning English like you should.